Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to subtract the decimal numbers. So first let us do 9.75 minus 4.32. Here we need to take care that the decimal points must be aligned under each other. So 5 minus 2 is 3, 7 minus 3 is 4, then we have a decimal point, and then 9 minus 4 is 5. So our answer is 5.43. Now let us write 15.98 and 7.56 vertically. The decimal points are aligned under each other. So 8 minus 6 is 2. Then we have 9 minus 5, which is 4. Then we have a decimal point. Now we need to borrow 10 from the 1. So here we have 0 and here we have 1. So 15 minus 7 would be 8. So our answer is 8.42. Now let us do 42.6 minus 19.45. Let us write them vertically. So we have 42.6 minus 19.45. Now we don't have any number above this 5, so we will write 0 as a placeholder. We need to borrow from 6, so here we have 5 and here we have 10. So 10 minus 5 is just 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Then we have a decimal point. Once again we need to borrow from 4. So here we have 3 and here we have 12. So 12 minus 9 is 3 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So our answer is 23.15. Now let us do 123.45 minus 67.89. You can see that the decimal points are aligned under each other. Now we need to subtract 9 from 5, which is not possible. So we will borrow from 4. So here we have 3 and here we have 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. Once again we need to borrow from these 3. So here we have 2 and here we have 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. Then we have a decimal point. Once again we need to borrow from these 2. So here we have 1 and here we have 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. And once again we need to borrow from this 1. So here we have 0 and here we have 11. 11 minus 6 would be 5. So our answer is 55.56. Hope this video will help you how to subtract the decimal numbers.